Hello.
Hello Omar.
How are you doing?
Great, thank you. What about you?
I'm good. What did you do last weekend?
I spent some time drawing and painting. I really enjoy different types of art.
Oh, you know how to draw.
Yes, I do.
When did you learn that?
It was in high school. And what about you? What do you do in your free time?
I really like to read novels and short stories. I go to play basketball 2 times a week with my friends, and I enjoy playing video games.
I wish I had more time, so I could start reading some novel. However, when I have extra time, I do spend it with my family.
Sorry, I have to catch the bus to the basketball field. See you.
See you. Bye.
Peace be upon you, Brother Khaled. How are you?
May the peace and mercy of God be upon you. Well, praise be to God. How are you, Ali?
I am also fine, thank God. I want to ask you, how many questions about travel, Brother Khaled, can you answer them?
Of course, I will answer you. Go ahead.
What does travel mean?
Travel is moving from one place to another, whether to live or spend a specific vacation in a place other than your current place.
What are the means of travel?
The means of travel are many, differing in different times and forms. But I will show you some examples of the means of travel, namely, cars, trains, planes, ships and boats. Excellent. But what tools will we need when we travel?
Well, there are many essential things that we need in travel, and they are 1. Travel bag. 2. Clothes. 3. Official documents such as passport and visa. 4. Electronic devices. 5. A camera to take pictures. 6. Medications, if needed. And that's not all, but I mentioned some essentials for travel.
I really benefited. Thank you very much, dear Khaled.
No problem. Ali, in the past year people were exposed to corona disease. Were you one of those infected with this disease?
Yes, I went through this disease, and it was a very dangerous disease.
Can you tell me some of the symptoms of corona disease?
Well, coronavirus has these symptoms. 1. High fever. 2. Cough and tiredness. 3. Loss of sense of smell and sense of taste. 4. Headache and joint pain. 5. A rash appears. And other symptoms that can eliminate the individual's life.
As for me, corona disease did not affect me, but thank God that the disease ended and people were able to live as usual.
Really, thank God.
My dear friend Ali, we have been friends for 5 years, do you know that?
Yes, Sarah, and you were the best friend of mine.
So are you, Ali. But I want to ask you, what are the characteristics of a good friend?
A friend who encourages you to succeed and move forward is the best friend, I think.
What are the worst manners of a friend?
Let me mention to you some of the worst manners of a friend. 1. Lying. 2. Treason. 3. Gossip. 4. Backbiting.
You are right, my friend. I hope we can be good friends forever.
Is the internet important in our lives?
Of course, yes.
So what are the benefits of the internet, Ali?
All technology in our time is based on the internet. Without the internet, life would not be easy.
Are internet prices considered expensive?
Yes, unfortunately.
Does the internet carry negative aspects on people's lives?
Yes. The internet is a double-edged sword. If you do not improve the use of the internet, you may face major problems.
Thank you, my friend, for the good information.
You are most welcome.